Hello friends. So today I'm going to explain how my retired parents are planning their Tour India program. Year they're around 60 years old, and what they do is so they take PG accommodation through Magic Bix or some other app. They pick a town and take a PG accommodation for 2 to 4 weeks, and then once they are there, they manage all their cooking and they carry their own equipment in this Maruti Eco car. And every day they choose a place which is around like 50 to 150 kilometers, and then they travel there, and then that's how they plan to cover the entire India in the next maybe couple of years or so. So now I'll walk you through what are the key equipment that they carry in their Tour India program. So this, what you can see, is a small refrigerator, portable refrigerator that they carry. So it's around like 53 liters volume. It's from Hire. We bought it for around 7,500 rupees on Amazon. I'll share the links for this in the description below. And then this is a portable washing machine. It's made of plastic and very lightweight. So it's around like 4.5 kilo, and it can wash the clothes for 2 people for 2 to 3 days in one go. It has a dryer functionality as well, which is detachable, and it has the inlet and outlet. Everything is here with some speed adjustment. It's very convenient for your tours. And then this is a small air cooler that they have bought in their in the local vendor for around like 2,000 rupees. And then this is a portable dining table with 4 chairs as well. So I'll explain the details of how it works and all below. So we bought it for around 4,500 on Amazon. So I'll share links for all of these in the description below. So now let me open the fridge and show you what it has. So as you can see, it has a very tiny refrigerator portion. It has a tiny freezer portion as well, where you can store any maybe ice creams or curd or anything that you want. It has a small chiller tray as well, and it has enough compartment to store vegetables and any cooked food while you are on a tour. So this is, it's very lightweight as well. I mean, a single person can easily carry this one. And this one, as I've explained, I think it has a small dryer bin as well inside, which you can detach. This is the portable dining table that my parents carry in their Tour India program. So it's very lightweight, one person can easily carry, and it can accommodate 4 to 5 people easily. It has 4 chairs as well. So let me open it and show. So it has a couple of latches to keep this in place. I just open it, and then you can put it like this, and then you need to open it this way. So each of these individual chairs, you need to lock it in place. So lock all these properly so that those remain in place. So this is the portable dining table. So 4 people can easily sit here, and you can eat, or you can even actually work while you're on travel. In fact, you can even put a couple of portable stools here as well, so that 6 people can actually adjust on this. And this is a water bag that they carry. So this we bought on Amazon for a few $100. So this is a 10 liter bag. I think you can fill water and you can use it from here. Once all the water is out, you can actually fold it and carry along with you. So this comes in like 5 liter, 10 liter and 20 liter sizes. I'll put the links for all of this in the description. You can use them to purchase. Okay, so let me now close the table and show you. So you just put it like this. Unlock all of these. First unlock this. Unlock each of these individual and close them. these locks, so these two remain in place and you can carry. So let me show you where they carry it on in their car. So it fits comfortably here. So this is how they plan their tour. Okay, so now let me show you the next piece that they carry while they're on their tour. So what this is it is a portable tent which one can use to either change clothes or even take a bath, and I think you can also actually use it to go to the toilet while you're on the tour. So it can fit a single person easily. We bought it on Amazon for around 1700 bucks. So let me just quickly open it and show you how it looks. So it easily unfolds into this shape, and you can easily unfold it like this. So this is how the tent looks when you fully unfold it. So it has a zipper on one side for a person to enter. So this is how it looks inside. So let me go inside now. So as you can see, a full person can easily fit. They can comfortably change clothes or even go to the toilet when they are outside, or even take a bath when someone is camping. So so each of the zipper has like a zip inside on the outside, so one can easily close it from the inside. So it has a sort of a holder to keep your mobile or wallet or anything, and it has an opening on one side for ventilation, and at the same time it has an opening on the top as well. It has an opening on the top as well if you want some air or something while you are inside. Close the zipper and then press it inside so that you can quickly fold it like this. And once you have folded it, take the top and bottom end, hold them in place together like this, and then once you are here, take the two ends and then fold it in. Push it into the shape. This can easily fit into the carry case now. So as you can see, the entire tent has easily fit into this tiny carry case. So once it is in, close the zipper. So this is the tent. It's very lightweight. So let me put it in their car and where they carry it. Let me show you. So it easily fits on one side. It does not take any place at all. And it's very convenient for someone to use while they're on camping or on tour.